Hi, welcome to my channel. Ladies and gentlemen, when are the last time you stood beneath a towering tree, breathing in fresh air? Now, imagine what if that tree, along with millions of others, was gone? This is the reality of Malaysia faces today, with our forests being diminished by deforestation and climate change. But we can change this, and we must. Do you know that forests are nature's greatest carbon sinks? Every tree absorbs CO2, cleaning very air we breathe. Raise a hand if you think climate change is one of the biggest challenges we face today. Well, deforestation is one of the most powerful tools we have to fight. Let me ask you, how many of you heard of Malaysia's diverse rainforests? Like those in Borneo? These forests are not just a part of our heritage. They, they are home to endangered species like the Malaysian tiger and the orangutan. By restoring our forests, we are not just combating climate change, we are preserving life. What if I told you that reforestation not only helps the environment, but also support local communities? Many reforestation projects in Malaysia work with indigenous people, giving them income and empowering them as a guardian of the land. Projects such as the Heart of Borneo Initiative and Malaysia's nationwide reforestation efforts aim to restore large tracts of forests, helping local wildlife and providing sustainable livelihoods. One incredible local initiative is the Taman Tugu project. Through the adoption program, individuals and organizations can adopt trees and other park elements to directly contribute to restoring Malaysia's greenery. Imagine your name being part of an effort to restore our forests and fight climate change. Malaysia has set strong example with its tree planting program 2021 to 2025, which aims to plant 1 million trees. This ambitious initiative seeks to reverse damage done by deforestation and urbanization, making Malaysia's natural landscape stronger for future generations. You can be part of these efforts by supporting tree planting programs or getting involved in local conservation efforts. Let's make this personal. Through projects like Taman Tugu Adoption Programme, you can adopt trees or contribute to deforestation efforts right here in our country. Imagine seeing your name on a tree that's part of the solution to climate change. Who here would want to leave that kind of legacy for our future generations? Now, let's take action. better by supporting reforestation efforts, joining community projects, or participating in national initiatives like the 100 million tree campaign. Each of us can make difference together. Together, we can ensure Malaysian forests are not only a part of our past, but a vibrant part of our future. Raise your hand if you are ready to restore Malaysia's forests, be part of our solution.